The special intensive revision of electoral rules in Karnataka is underway, with the Election Commission saying more than 80% of enumeration forms have already been distributed across the state. Addressing a press conference on July 8, Karnataka Chief Electoral Officer V. Anbuk Kumar said 80.85% of forms had reached voters. He said the house-to-house exercise, which began on June 30th, will continue till July 29th. Over 90% of forms have been distributed in 112 assembly constituencies, while 169 constituencies have crossed the 80% mark. Among the districts, Chitradurga recorded the highest distribution at 98.95%, followed by Davangere, Uttara Kannada, Mandya and Vijayanagara. On the other hand, urban constituencies continue to lag behind. Bomanahalli reported the lowest distribution at 35%, while Bengaluru South stood at 39.95%. He said district officials in Bengaluru and other city corporations had been instructed to speed up the exercise. The CEO also said that digitization of forms is progressing simultaneously. More than 56 lakh forms, nearly 10%, have already been digitized. Political parties have appointed over 1.24 lakh booth-level agents, while officials have identified nearly 1.31 lakh voters from whom forms could not yet be collected. A booth-wise list of such cases along with the reasons will be shared with recognized political parties to ensure transparency. Responding to allegations that booth-level officers were distributing forms at community halls instead of conducting door-to-door visits, Anbuk Kumar said complaints received on July 1st had been examined and fresh instructions were issued directing BLOs to visit every household. He said every new complaint would also be investigated and reported to the Election Commission. His remarks come after NDA leaders met both the Karnataka CEO and the Chief Election Commissioner, demanding suspension of the exercise over alleged large-scale irregularities. He maintained that the revision was being conducted strictly in accordance with the Election Commission's guidelines.
Election Commission of India, from June 30th up till July 29th, we will be distributing the enumeration forms to each and every houses of Karnataka, to each and every voter. In that process, already 80.85% of the enumeration forms is already been distributed to each and every elector in Karnataka. Out of 224 assembly constituencies, 112 assembly constituencies have distributed more than 90% of the forms, and 169 assembly constituencies out of 224 have already distributed 80% of the forms. Regarding this concern, Chitradurga district has distributed 98.95% progress as of 2 p.m. today, and Davangere 98.74%, Uttara Kannada 98.66%, Mandya 97.65%, Vijayanagara 97.57%. Like this, the districts have almost reaching saturation by tomorrow. And in some places, especially in the urban areas, the progress is little slow. Direction has been already issued to all the DOs concerned to ensure the enumeration form reaches the concerned voter in time. Regarding high performance assembly constituency are concerned, Devadurga assembly constituency have achieved 100% distribution, Kunta have achieved 100% distribution, Hiraikalu 100%, Mayakonda 100%, Karwar 99%, Mulbagal 99%, Melkote 99%, Road 99%, Kiriu 99%, like that. So out of already I have explained, all 2 constituencies have started the distribution process regularly, seriously. Regarding the low performance assembly constituency are concerned, Bomanahalli registered 35% of distribution, the lowest in Karnataka, Bangalore South 39.95, Nagar 40, Malappuram 40, like that. So the BBMP area already instruction has been given, and all the city corporations, Gulbarga City Corporation, Mysore City Corporation, Belgaum City Corporation, and Tumkur City Corporation areas have performed little slow, but still there is enough time to distribute other enumeration forms, so they are directed to monitor it. Regarding digitization is concerned, the digitization process is parallelly going on. Mayakonda Assembly Constituency already registered 34% of digitization, Devadurga 34% digitization, Chikbalapura 33%, Maski 30%, Sindhamur 29%, Monakalur 28%, like that. Around 10% of forms are digitized in Karnataka already. We have digitized more than 56 lakhs of forms already. In Karnataka, we have 1,24,018 booth level agents appointed by the political parties. We have identified till date around 1,30,975 people from whom the forms are uncorrected. Maybe because of various reasons. For example, because of death cases, 53,430 forms are uncorrectable. Because of permanently shifting cases, 65,479 forms. Already enrolled, 9,174 forms. Absent cases, 2,314 forms. Others, 573. Others means it's refused to sign. So total is 1,30,975. Already directives are issued to all the DEOs and EROs concerned to give the list of all these uncollectible form details to BLEs through the BLOs. So every polling station wise, the list of uncollectible forms, the names of the people from whom the enumeration forms are not able to be collected, will be delivered to the concerned booth level agents, and the ERO also will have it on the website, and the DO also will give it to the political parties. The instructions are already given. I request all the political parties and their booth level agents, if at all a BLO has wrongly named anybody in this list, or if you are able to find out anybody who is there already in the list, kindly let us know so that no incidents will be caused to the. Along with this, we are giving every 2 hours the reports of progress to all the political parties, recognized political parties of Karnataka. I had a meeting with the political party representatives also before this press conference, and the suggestions given to the political parties also will be very seriously taken. At the same time, I would like to confirm whatever the complaints reported on July 1st, they are all attended to, and the report is being submitted already to Election Commission of India for your information.